question. Yeah, this question is like a little bit tricky question. Concentrate to understand this question. There are six dishes P through U. P Q R S T U. Six dishes, which two are starters, two are main course, and two are desserts. They are arranged in a circular order. So they have given circular order, which means this question is circular type of arrangement. Six dishes, so we can split this into six parts. The first clue: P is adjacent to U. P, U are adjacent to each other. R is not adjacent to either Q or T. With R, Q, T will not come. S is the main course and is adjacent to the desserts. Yes, main course they have directly given. The adjacent will be two desserts. In between these two desserts, S will be placed. Okay, so the next clue is both the starters are adjacent to each other. Two starters are there. The two starters are adjacent to each other. Always they will be seated adjacent to each other. The last clue is P is opposite to a desert which is not Q. P is opposite to a desert which is not Q. That means Q is not a desert. P க்கு opposite desert தான். ஆனா Q வராது. That means Q is not a desert. So already we have seen one clue. S ஓட adjacent sideல deserts இருப்பாங்க. Already we have no P is opposed to a desert, which means desert. In between these two deserts, S will come. We have placed three alphabets. P, U, S. Placed. Remaining three alphabets Q, R, T. So we have given with R, Q, T will not come. For example, if I am placing R here means definitely I have to place T here. The only option to place the alphabet is T. Why? Because here Q will not come. They have given in the question. So if I am placing R here, definitely I have to place T. But they have given Q. With Q, T will not come. So here I should not place R. Here I have to place R. So remaining Q and T. Here Q will not come. So we can place T here and remaining Q. That's all. We have done the arrangement. We can check once. P is adjacent to U. P, U adjacent to each other. R is not adjacent to either Q or T. With R, Q, T won't come. S is the main course and is adjacent to the deserts. S main course with adjacent to the deserts. R and T. Both the starters are adjacent to each other. So adjacent to each other means like starters எங்க இருந்தாலுமே அது வந்து பக்கத்துல தான் இருக்கும். So நம்ம P, U maybe starters பார்க்கலாம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா Uவையும் Qவையும் starters பார்க்கலாம். But கண்டிப்பா இது starter. U definitely a starter because P, Uன்னு பார்த்தா இங்கேயும் U starter இருக்கு. U, Qன்னு பார்த்தா இங்கேயும் காமனா U starter இருக்கு. Which means U definitely a starter. P may be a starter or main course. அதே மாதிரி Q may be a starter or main course. So கன்ஃபார்மா இங்க எதை நம்ம சொல்லலாம்னா RT deserts, confirm RT deserts. Yes, main course they have given. Then U starter. Why? Because in both the possibility U is the common letter and also it is a starter. Yeah, only these three things, these four things have confirmed. Remaining Q and P may be a starter or main course. There are two possibilities for Q and P. We can't confirm that. Okay, now we'll move to the question. Which dish is opposite to T? Opposite to T, P. Opposite to T. Which of the following is a correct combination? So option A, Q desert. Definitely Q is not a desert. Q may be a starter or main course. So Q is not the correct combination. Next option, U main course. No, we have seen U definitely a starter. So option B will not come. Third option, U starter. Yes, U is a starter. Q starter. Q may be a starter. There are two possibilities for Q. One is starter. The other one is main course. So the confirm option is C. U is a starter. Which of the following is true? One of the deserts is opposed to a main course. One of the deserts is opposite to a main course. Yes, T is the desert is opposed to a main course. Or else starter. Like P may be a main course, right? So option B may be proved. Then option B, a main course is opposed to a starter. Main course opposite to a starter. Yes, S is the main course in the opposite to the starter U. So option B will come. Then option C, P is a starter. P may be a starter. So option C also correct. More than one of the above. Option D, more than one of the above. Why? Because C, desert opposed to a main course. Desert T opposite to a main course. Because P may be a main course. We can't tell P will not come as main course. So two possibility, right? So P main course ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். So that A correct. அதே மாதிரி B correct. C correct இருக்கலாம். Because C may be a starter or main course. So maybe P starter இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த option correct. So more than one of the above. Last question, fourth question, which dishes are adjacent to Q? Adjacent to Q. T, U. T, U. In between T and U, Q is seated. T, U. Option B. And last question, which of the following dishes can't be together? Which of the following dishes can't be together? P, T. P, T can't be together. Okay. We have come up with the answer. Option A. You can see option B also. Yes, T. Yes, T. Yes, T seated adjacent to each other. So this will not come. Third option, yes, U. UQ. UQ also seated adjacent to each other. So this will not come. And last option, P and R. P and R also seated adjacent to each other. So option A. Only option A can't be together.